Have you heard that juicing contains a lot of sugar? Well, guess what? That's a myth, and let's go ahead and stomp the rest of the myths around juicing. Myth number one, eating fruits and veggies is better than juicing them. Woo! I hear that all the time. I am totally not against eating this fresh apple or an orange or any type of veggie, but guess what? When you juice it, it's in liquid form. You're absorbing all the nutrients in liquid form, allowing your body to heal, giving your digestive system a break instead of chewing and having to digest it. So yes, you can absolutely get a ton of fiber from this, as well as you can get the fiber from the juicing, but it's really hard to eat a big platter of cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, celery, cucumber, when you could juice it. Juicing it's a lot easier. Myth number two, juices have too much sugar. I hear this all the time. Guess what? Let me stomp that myth. If you're applying the 80-20, where it's 80% of vegetables and just 20% of fruits, you're not gonna have to worry about the sugar. Second of all, the sugar that you're getting from fruits, it's fructose sugar. It is not refined sugar or artificial or any of that, or cane sugar. So it's fructose. And guess what? Fruits like watermelon contain 92% water. You're not even gonna get any fructose. So yes, there are fruits like the tropical fruits like cantaloupe, pineapple. Those tropical fruits have a little bit more of fructose sugar, but nothing that you have to worry about, because you're gonna add 80% into your juicer of vegetables and just 20% of fruit. And it's so refreshing and it's so good because you're gonna get a ton of vitamins and a ton of minerals from delicious fruits. So don't worry about the sugar when it comes to juicing. Let's go on to myth number three. A juice contains no fiber. That is the absolute thing I hear a ton of times. So there's soluble and insoluble fiber. Juicing contains soluble fiber. Juicing extracts most of the insoluble fiber out of the veggies and fruit, while soluble fiber remains. Soluble fiber then absorbs water like a sponge and then acts like a prebiotic to support good bacteria growth and digestive health. Are you getting fiber from juicing? You absolutely are. You're getting soluble fiber. All right, you heard all three myths and all the stomps that I did on them, and I'm here just to share the journey of juicing because it changed my life from the inside out, and I'm just here to help you out and inspire and educate people on all the benefits that juicing has. It is the actual magic liquid vitamin pill. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel.